Keto diet or ketogenic diet is one of the trending diet and highly recommended by most of the professionals. In this video, let's take a look at Number 1. What is keto diet? Number 2. Types of ketogenic diet. Number 3. Ketogenic diet for weight loss. Number 4. Other health benefits and risks of keto diet. Number 5. Foods to eat and avoid during ketogenic diet. What is keto diet? Keto diet or ketogenic diet is basically a low-carb, high-fat diet, where you lower your daily carb intake and replace it with the fats. In this ketogenic diet, you radically reduce your carbs intake and add fats to your diet, which results in your body entering a metabolic state called ketosis. During a low-carb diet, insulin level goes down and fatty acids are released, and when your body enters ketosis, it starts burning the stored fat in your body as a fuel. It also converts your fat into ketones in liver, which supplies energy to your brain. Types of ketogenic diet. Number 1. Standard ketogenic diet. In this standard ketogenic diet, you consume your meal in ratio of 75:20:5, which is 75% of fats, 25% of protein and 5% of carbs in your daily meal. Number 2. High-protein ketogenic diet. This diet is very similar to standard ketogenic diet, but in this high-protein ketogenic diet you consume your meal in ratio of 60% fats, 35% protein and 5% carbs in your daily meal. Number 3. Cyclical ketogenic diet. In this cyclical ketogenic diet you do periods of high-carb refeeds like 5 days of ketogenic diet and 2 days of high-carb diet in a week. Number 4. Targeted ketogenic diet. In this targeted ketogenic diet you are allowed to add carbs in your diet around workouts. Ketogenic diet for weight loss. Ketogenic diet is a famous weight loss diet and really in trend these days. During ketogenic diet you radically reduce the carbs intake and add fats to your diet, therefore the insulin level goes down and fatty acids are released, and due to the lack of glucose the body starts burning the stored fat as a fuel, which in result helps in weight loss. Numerous amount of studies suggest that the ketogenic diet is far more effective for weight loss than the old-fashioned low-fat diets. According to the study conducted of PubMed, U.S. National Library of Medicine, National Institutes of Health, the people on ketogenic diet witnessed 2.2 times more weight loss compared to people on low-fat diet. Other health benefits and risks of keto diet. Besides weight loss, there are many other health benefits of ketogenic diet, including may help reduce risk of cancer, improves heart health, may protect brain functioning, helps managing type 2 diabetes, and in some cases it may also reverse the type 2 diabetes, helps gain control over your appetite, improves health in women with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, potentially reduces seizures. Risks of keto diet. Keto flu, kidney stone formation, acidosis, high levels of acid in the blood. In many cases, immediate side effects of the diet may include constipation, sluggishness, low blood sugar. These symptoms are especially common at the beginning of the diet as your body adjusts. Foods to eat and avoid during ketogenic diet. Here's the list of foods you can eat during ketogenic diet. Eggs, seafood and fish, meat, vegetable like avocado, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and zucchini. Natural fats like butter or coconut oil. Dairy fats like cheese, yogurt, and heavy cream. Berries. Nuts. Coffee and tea, without sugar. Here's the list of food you should avoid during ketogenic diet. Alcohol, sugar, bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, including sweet potatoes, French fries, potato chips. Whole grain products. Dark chocolate.